All right, now we're going to learn how to turn some line types off and on, and then we're going to do the glass wall. Let's turn off some of these dimension lines because they're on our way. So I'm going to turn that one off by going to where you see the glass symbol right here. Click on it, and it says Hide Element. So it would hide that particular dimension. If I want to hide this dimension, I can also do the same thing. I can hide category, which means any types of dimensions. All right, so essentially what I want to do is to go offset of 2 inches from either side, give myself a window frame on either side here. Now here we have a glass wall, and the critical thing is to identify the center of the stud / column. So here we have the columns, the studs, and from the center to this center is 3 feet 2 inches. The same thing on this side. These are equal distance. You don't want to put these dimensions because computer is going to round it off and it's not going to be exact. We would like to get equal distances. So in this session, we want to learn how to do that. So what I would like to do initially was first offset 2 inches on either side, 2 inches on this side here, and 2 inches on this side here. You like to sort of reduce the line so it's not such a long line. So I'm going to take that line, just bring it down so it's not so long. Same thing with this one. Bring it down. Make sure you don't make it sideways as you're bringing it down. So that's my 2 inches on either side. I'm going to get started right there. Then I'm going to go 3 feet 2 inches on either side. So offset 3 feet 2 inches on this side and on this side. So that's the center of that stud. This is the center of this stud. Now from here to here, I would like to divide it into 3 equal spaces. Now I have to put a brick in the line. So I'm going to split the element right there. So I'm going to split this line right here, 1 and 2. Now my initial dimensions were not very precise, so watch what's going to happen. I'm going to annotate linear from that dot to the next dot that I created here, and I'm going to do it from this dot to the next dot that's here, and from this dot to this dot, which is here. Now what I like to do is pick up these dimensions and make them equal, okay? So preferred is to do them all in one shot. So let's do it again. Linear, distance from here to the next one, to the next one, take it up. And you see this equal that's crossed? You see that equal that's crossed? You pick it and you say equal. It automatically makes all of these equal. Once I'm done with that, then I'm going to take this line. I'm going to copy it from that intersection, which is shown by a red X, to that point, and then I need to make an extra copy of it. I should have made multiple. So when you make copy, it gives you an opportunity to do multiple. If I had done that, it would have gone in one shot, so to here. So now, essentially, I have the center line here, here, and here. These are equal, and so my glasses are perfect in terms of the size. Now I'm going to go 2 inches on either side of each side, so 2 inch here, 2 inch there. So I'm going to pick the line, offset 2 inches to this side, look a little bit closer, to this side, and to that side, this side, and this, and this, and this. So essentially, I am done with the basic sketch of the floor plan for the openings. So I would like to keep that in mind when I'm done with the sketch.